So this is the early morning now, and I completed my daily routine exercise. I just go to the near ground and just run around the ground around 3 rounds, 4 rounds like that. So I completed. First I give some time to my health. Thereafter for other things. So today I want to discuss that how to improve the communication skills, or how to improve how to speak effortlessly in English. Yeah, I also just explaining whatever I learned from YouTube. That listening, that listening is the most powerful tool for speaking. And if someone want to be fluent in the English, then if he is not listening anything in the English and he is trying to speak, it is almost negligible or nothing. He can't improve their communication skills. So always your listening power should be more than the speaking power. That there is a simple example that when a baby born, first he listen only. When he born, and then he start to listen only. Now my newspaper also has come. Yes, good morning, good morning. So my newspaper also has come that I will read after this video. So listening power should be more than speaking power. That how I already told that when a baby born, then he start to start to listen. But when he speak, when he try to speak after 1 year, 2 year like that, but he already was listening from the birth. And like my child, now my son is around 2 year old, but still he is only speaking some words, single words, like ma, papa, dada, like that only. But he is understanding all the things. Like when we tell him just bring the dustbin, then he go to the kitchen and take the dustbin and he bring. When we call it just bring some water, then he just go in the kitchen and he tell her mother by by some indication that just give. But he is not speaking still, but he understand. So the listening skills must be higher than the speaking. Like that, if someone is in the US or in the England or in the English speaking countries, he is also like that. They start to speak after listening. So during that, I already told that a baby doesn't know about the grammar, but he start to speak, and we also understand their what he is or he and she is saying. So listening is the most powerful tool for the speaking. So first, if you start, then first you improve your listening skills. Don't try to speak first. First you start to listen first. And if still you are not understanding that what someone is speaking, if he is speaking in English, then you don't try to speak. First you try to understand through their eye, through their through your ears. Then you try to speak. I am also doing the same thing, that in the morning after reading newspaper I just go and will watch some podcast or some videos on the YouTube around 30 minutes or 45 minutes, because when you listen, when someone is telling something, then you just feel that how is speaking, how their mouth movement, their pronunciation, these all come through the listening.